Welcome to 141 Mowat Street, located in the center of Shelburne.
Shelburne is located on the south shore of Nova Scotia and is about a 2-hour drive from Halifax. This property is a short stroll to the historic waterfront on Dock Street.
Come on inside.
This move-in ready 1-bedroom bungalow comes beautifully furnished with custom-built pieces. Simply bring your personal belongings and you're all set to move in. This home is highly functional and accessible and would be convenient for anyone with mobility issues. The bedroom offers a convenient ensuite bathroom complete with a walk-in shower and charming clawfoot tub. Enjoy a sunny backyard perfect for barbecues and lots of room to garden. The kitchen offers updated appliances, including a dishwasher. And those floors are very good quality hardwood.
Now come on downstairs, we're going to check out the workhouse.
Downstairs, you'll find a fully equipped woodworking shop that comes complete with all the tools, wood, and manuals you see here in this video. Thank you so much for coming to my virtual open house. If you have any questions about this property or for myself, you can find me on my website at SoldByCelina.ca.